Do you want to quickly enable theater mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra using the side button? With this feature, you can activate your preferred mode or routine just by double pressing the side button. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap side button. Tap double press. Make sure that the feature is turned on. Now tap Mode and Routine. Tap the settings icon next to it. Here you can choose from available mode like sleep, theater, driving, and else, or any custom routine you have created. For this example, let's select theater mode. Now return to the home screen. Double press the side button. As you can see, theater mode is now activated. Let's try that again. Double press the side button once more. And theater mode is now turned off. This can be useful when you are about to enter a cinema or any place where you want to reduce distraction quickly. Instead of opening settings manually, this gives you another quick way to toggle theater mode using the side button. And that's how you enable theater mode using the side button on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.